What's the meaning of belfry? Belfry. Belfry.
Belfry. Belfry. Belfry refers to a tall structure that houses a bell, usually found atop a tower or steeple. The word is derived from the Old French belfry, which means siege tower. Historically, belfries were used in medieval warfare as movable towers for soldiers to view the battlefield and attack from above. Over time, the term evolved to refer to bell towers on churches and other buildings. Bells housed in these structures were often used to signal the time of day, call worshippers to prayer, or mark important events such as weddings or funerals. Today, many belfries are still standing as symbols of architectural and historical significance.